Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And unfortunately, in my apartment, we have this kind of vinyl flooring. It's fake wood, and after about 3 years, my desk chair ripped it. It may just have been just a weak part of the flooring, but the truth was I should have had a floor mat. So I tried another one, but it was expensive, and I was looking for something anti-slipping that I don't have to attach any adhesive to the flooring. So I found this mat that just arrived today. I wanted to share it with you, and it comes in a number of different colors, and I really like it. First of all, before I put it down, let me just show you. It does have this rubberized anti-slip material that will not scratch the floor, so I think this can go on multiple different types of flooring, including rail wood. And this is 36 by 48. It was rolled up, as you can see here, when it came, and it was able to lay out quickly and easily. This is the kind of the blue color. So a few things. Again, this is 36 by 48, and it is a strong woven material. It's a premium non-slip back, and also, again, there are a number of different patterns. If anything should spill on it, I think you can easily just wipe it up. It's flame retardant and also mildew resistant. And so I've been testing it, sitting on my chair and moving around, and it seems to not really move. It moves just slightly, but nothing that you're gonna have to worry about that I can see that will be an issue. But it seems smooth, and if you go off the mat, it's not a very thick mat, by the way. Let me just show that as well. So you could see the thickness there, and the price point is extremely affordable on these. It was about a third of what the other mat that I looked at, and I'll put a link to that one so you can check that out. But I really like it, and it's got a nice pattern around the edges. So they've done a really nice job. So check it out today. I'll put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section. And if you are looking for something to spice up your office, even if you may not need a mat, this might be a nice way to go. And I'm definitely pleased, and at least for right now with the flooring, while I'm still living here, I don't have to worry about the damage. We'll deal with that when I move out. But now that part won't get worse, and it just looks good when I come into the office. So if you have any questions, let me know, but definitely a thumbs up and a flooring desk mat that I would recommend. All right, have a great one. Take care.